Cross car.
Cross car.
Cross car.
Cross car.
Cross car.
Car that we busy with now is project of car that is used in racing. I'm one of the people who are involved in project which is called Cross Car Level 2. My main role in this project, I was software CAD-man, to mean that I was computer-aided designer assistant. The main designer was chief engineer. His name is Paul Purrell. He's now helping us just to fulfill this project up to the end. He helped everything from the beginning. We really hope that everything is gonna be good.
To develop a cross car, what we need to see first is the concept car. To make the concept, we need to see what we have around, which engine we want to use, which weight of the car we want. From here, we start designing what is the concept. Minimal pens, which machine we have able here, which knowledge we have with materials, and so once we have the boundary conditions, we start to make the designing, we give the form, we give the aspect of the car, and from here we need case manufacturing. We have key partners on this project in order to manufacture this product to have a final car ready in some weeks. So this is the transversal project.
Together with the team that we work together, we were playing a role of bending different tubes, different sizes, to shape the structure of the car.
I was focused on engine and electricity and electronics and power transmission.
We have been faced some of the challenge. One of these, like a software that we were using, it was new. Nobody else knew that kind of designing software called Onshape. But the chief engineer, he helped us just to make sure what is the basic required in order to satisfy what we're looking for.
Challenging issue of using our old technology equipment to meet the exact dimension. So we used different skills we had. We collaborate each other between us, colleagues. We collaborate with the chief designer so we can make as accurate, as precise as possible to shape the structure of the car.
To see everyone share his or her effort to make this innovation. Team collaboration was the first thing.
This hands-on approach promotes experiential learning, where students not only apply their theoretical knowledge, but also engage in problem solving, teamwork, and innovation. Simultaneously, trainers gain valuable exposure to industry standards and emerging technologies through their active participation in the project. This allows them to refine their own skills, enhance their technical expertise, and improve their ability to guide students through complex tasks.
We try to start test 1.
This project presents an amazing opportunity for Rwanda Polytechnic in its mission of providing the skills needed for the market and for developing technological solutions. It has demonstrated the capabilities of our staff and students and the potentials therein. One thing that I was happy to see is the problem-solving skills that were developed along the way and the teamwork that was involved in addressing the challenges they were meeting during this manufacturing of cross cars. The possibility of developing this specific skill set in the manufacturing of cross cars is now a reality. This puts Rwanda Polytechnic on the map in the development of skills in this specific area. We thank FIA for the support and RAC for the implementation of this project. It is a huge, huge achievement for Rwanda and Africa in general.